So for this problem, to simplify this complex fraction, so first we're going to use the butterfly method. So from this given, so this is over 1, then multiply, so 1 times 1 is 1, then minus m times m, so this is m to the power 2, then over m times 1, this is m, then all over, so in the denominator, so again this is over 1, then multiply, so 1 times m, this is m, then plus 1 times 1, this is 1, then over 1 times m, so this is m, then this is equal to 1 minus m squared, then over m, then times the reciprocal of this denominator. So this is m, then over m plus 1. Then observe that we can cancel now this m. So we have now 1 minus m squared, then over m plus 1. Then to simplify, so observe for this numerator, so this is equal to the square or the difference of 2 squared. So to find the factors, so this is a plus b, then times a minus b. So since we can rewrite this one as 1 squared, so we can apply now this factoring, and the factors for this 1 squared minus m squared, so this is 1 plus m, then times 1 minus m, then over, so copy this denominator, m plus 1, then since 1 plus m and m plus 1 are equal, so therefore we can cancel. So this complex fraction is equal to 1 minus m.